So these are the additional questions. Should the water be boiling when flour is added? Definitely yes, or you won't have any gelatinisation occur and the mixture will be runny, because if you put it in like just hot water, the flour won't swell up as much, it'll be too runny. So that's one of the reasons there. Number 2, should the mixture be cooled before adding the egg? That answer is yes, otherwise the egg will scramble because it's too hot. It can be warm, but it's meant to be cooled, so that's one of the rules. I normally put it in when it's a bit warm, but you are meant to let it cool so it doesn't scramble. Number 3, what are the functions of the following in choux pastry? This is always the hard ones, I find. So the egg helps coagulate, sets the mixture. It also helps with colour, flavour, and it adds protein. So it does a few things, an egg. That's called enriching by the minute if you add protein to it. But it also has egg flavour and helps coagulate. So coagulate is a bit like setting something like quiche or egg custard tart. Flour. So the flour gives the pastry structure. Gluten provides the structure. A strong flour expands, increases in size. The flour also adds bulks and thickens the mixture. Next one, give a reason why the following might occur. So the mixture is too thin. So obviously too much water is added, water not boiling or allowed to cool before flour is added, then you won't get the gelatinisation, which I said before. Too much egg added, obviously incorrect proportions, not enough flour. Give a reason why the following may occur. The pastry is heavy and has a dense, heavy texture. Too much flour, not enough water, incorrect oven temperature, incorrect proportions, oven door open during cooking because then the oven would cool down and they might collapse. Next one's probably the hardest one, the scientific process is browning. So we've got some here, so they're brown. Now the reason they go brown is they've got flour in it, so it's dextrinisation, and that's why they go brown. The sugar, there could be some sugar in it, so that's caramelisation. And also there's egg in it, so it's the Maillard reaction, M-I-L-L-A-R-D. That's because it's got protein in it. Thank you.